Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on CSS text shadow. The CSS text shadow property adds shadow to your text. In its simplest use, you can only specify the horizontal shadow and the vertical shadow. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works together so you can be able to do whatever you want to do with your document. And also, before I go, I'm going to copy the CSS text shadow right here so that you guys can be able to identify the thing we are here to do. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the CSS text spacing. You can check every tutorial concerning the CSS text spacing in our CSS text spacing playlist. So, and this is just our channel name. And right now, back to this place, every tutorial we'll be dropping right now will be on CSS text shadow. So you can check the playlist in our document in our channel so you can be able to follow along easily. As you can see, just search CSS shadow in our channel. You are going to find the playlist where I will drop everything that concerns this text shadow there. So, and you can check a lot about CSS. You can check a lot about CSS text in our previous tutorial where we discussed about CSS text, because all these tutorials also they are all along with the CSS text playlist. So everything you have to know about CSS text, you can just check our CSS text playlist also to be able to follow along easily. So this is just an introductory part of this. So I think we have to meet in the next tutorial so we can start the fun. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next.